Malawi Today.
We are still witnessing the so beautiful, so beautiful.
Vice President Dr. Michael Sinzingo Njakuja Anton Sangalala Dr. Michael Kubera kufika stadium muno Dr. Michael kuzapereka udindo wao wa Justice Dr. Jenny Ansa nimene mukuonera anthu kusangalala waweva mu stadium muno. You can see kufika kwa Dr. Michael Usi.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are now witnessing the arrival of Right Honorable Dr. Michael Usi, Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, and Madame Ella Usi. May I humbly ask Honorable Enoki Kamzingeni Chihana, the President of Alliance for Democracy Accord, and also Honorable Peter Mukito, the Secretary General of the mighty Democratic Progressive Party, Kutimusika Musiba Mwalandire, our Vice President. Thank you. Amai Njabambo, Watawino Tukulandira, our Vice President, Right Honorable Dr. Michael Usi, amene kufika pamalo pano pa nthawi ino zikongambi. Our Vice President, Honorable Dr. Michael Usi, DVP, Tosamete Musanja, please. We should all stand. Lord, Udinese Bono, Udinabera President elect Professor Alpapina Matalika, Amena Bandira, the Honorable Justice Dr. Jenny Ansa, Vice President, and Honorable Enoki Kamzingeni Chihana, President of Alliance for Democracy Accord, and Honorable Peter Mukito, Secretary General of Democratic Progressive Party.
Tapanga kampeni tamaliza president osakidwa tugilizane tutukule Malawi message ndiye kupezeka kwanu kwa anthu okonda oja zake akulandire kota akulandire bwino chifukwa tifuna ife pakali pantona kuti Malawi yasangalala oja zake alibe mulandu cholinga chake Malawi yasangalala mmene a president asachidwa chikhumbo cha anthu kuti Malawi yasangalala ndiye nkhani kuti Malawi yasangalala zimwe kwambiri leo ndi Right Honorable
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now witnessing their life
Babu Mnangagwa.
His Excellency, Comrade Dr. Emerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Amai njababo, bantawino, tikulandira mlendo watu olemekezeka mama uno, President wa dziko la Zimbabwe, Comrade Dr. Emerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa kufika pamalo pano. May I ask tonse anaitiri kukusanya kuno kuti please, can you all stand? Thank you, Your Excellencies.